Hello, dear friends. Today we will help you how to confirm your packing needs. Like this packing? Welcome to Lipack Packing. This is Greta. Nice to meet you. So, my dear friends, do you know how to find the perfect packing solution? Customized packing can help your products be competitive in the market. So, choose the suitable material and your design are very important to confirm your needs. First of all, what's your product? My dear friend, you should know your product size, type, weight, and maybe it's easy to be fragile, or do you have any special needs on packing? Then, make the suitable packing way to match your product. Okay, second, what's your own budget? No matter what products you are selling, and no matter what packing way you are choosing, you need to have your own budget. Then, we can offer you a suitable packing way. If you are doing the food business, most of the time we suggest that you do the craft paper with the coated paper. If you need the luxury packing way, we suggest that you do cardboard material, special material. Of course, you also can consider the coated material. If you are very attention on eco-friendly, so we suggest that you do the recycled craft material here. Of course, due to different material, it will match different handle type. For craft paper bag, this one it is the U-shaped type handle, and this one it is a twist paper handle type. For cardboard paper bag, there are 3 handle types. This one it is a shoe bucket handle, and this one it is a ribbon handle. This one it is embedded handle. You just tell us your needs. We will suggest you and offer you the best way. All in all, through understanding of your products and get professional help of packing, it will be helpful for you to get a great packing way. Please remember the following tips. Number 1, choose a high quality material, get more luxury outlook. The number 2, put your logo and contact way on packing. Number 3, easy to carry or open your paper bags or paper books. If you enjoyed this video, please follow us. Next time, we will tell you how to save cost in packing.